getting close to 471. You were hearing some kind of semi going by. But before that, I think the approaching sound of that triggered some type of response, because I heard it then turn the camera on. I'm not clear. I'll put it on the computer at home and listen. But there it is. See the lake where I'm at. I don't know, the camera picked it up. There's pretty good audio on this camera though. That truck seems to have stopped. I don't think so. I think it's coming back. Christ, it sounded like it was coming back in here. Sound is tricky, man. It bounces, it carries, it echoes. Sound is very, very hard to pinpoint sometimes. Okay.